This week I'm testing the Mazda CX-5 and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 secure child seats across the back of the CX-5, which is fantastic. Number 2 is the retractable roller blind in the CX-5, which gets clipped up here and automatically goes up with the boot door, which is fantastic, keeping it right out of the way so it doesn't get damaged. Number 3 is the drive. The Mazda CX-5 is a really nice little easy get in and go 5-seater SUV. I've loved driving the Mazda CX-5 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.